Good morning, everybody. It's a good morning. Feels awesome. Hope everyone's day's going all right. I think today I'm finna have. So yesterday I cleaned out this pen and I did a decent bit of work in here. I need to give him some fresh water. I think I'm gonna get some of that bird dookie up, scraped up. Let's see. Obviously go through and clean their water bowls out. That's an everyday thing. I think I'm gonna put theirs on a brick or something here in a minute. It seems to help keep them clean, if you'll notice that one compared to that one. Yep. A lot of work to be done out here. Firewood to be cut, grass needs to be cut, brush needs to be burned. Just that everyday life.